Hi, my name is Alicia and I'm a freshman student at Ohio Wesleyan University, double majoring in pre-medicine and pre-professional zoology. It took me a while to come up with only one topic of science that I am passionate about because I love learning about all fields of science. However, I decided to choose a topic in which I have had the most experience with over the past few months, and that is avian microbiology. Avian microbiology is a fairly new field of science introduced by Dr. Edward Burt and Dr. Janet Cheetah. Dr. Burt is a professor at Ohio Wesleyan University, and I have had the privilege of taking a course in this field taught by him. I have learned that birds pick up specific kinds of bacteria that degrade their feathers. The most common feather-degrading bacterium we have found is Bacillus licheniformis. It is a gram-positive, spore-forming, rod-shaped bacteria. It is mainly found on the backs and venter of ground-foraging birds, since the bacterium is in soil. Through our field studies in class, birds are caught in mist nets and sampled with 5 different types of agar on contact plates. These plates are incubated in their optimal growth temperatures, allowing the varying bacteria to grow for a few days. Then, the bacteria is counted, and suspecting bacillus colonies are isolated from the plate and tested for their rate of feather degradation. It is important to consider the idea of feather-degrading bacteria because in addition to studying the effects of wind abrasion on feathers, it has been found that bacteria can affect the plumage of birds as well. After learning about this fascinating field of science, I have created 2 research projects that relate to this field of science in which I am currently working on. One of the projects is monitoring the difference in bacterial load of different species of birds. There are no reports on the difference in load between species, so I'm excited to find some results that may impact the scientific community. The other project is testing the possibility that feather-degrading bacteria colonizes shortly after a bird hatches. I discovered this idea while reading an article in a scientific journal suggesting that there is no evidence that nestlings have been found to have feather-degrading bacteria. I love the idea that different fields of science can be combined to create an interdisciplinary field such as avian microbiology. I think it is incredibly essential to science that combinations like this occur. It will allow us to advance in science with some ideas influencing the growth of others. Thank you to the Science Ambassador Scholarship for providing women to express their knowledge of STEM fields and for allowing us to have this opportunity to advance our careers. Thank you.